Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So I'm here with Dragonfly Amusement. It's a company here in the Netherlands that has a lot of great stuff. So for example, a lot of arcade machines, and he just received a lot of new models, and he invited me to his company to show you here on the channel what are we going to get with the new type of cabinets from China. So basically this means this is what we call a package from China video, but I didn't order it. I just go to the store itself because I just want to do these videos. I want to make these because I'm a big arcade fan and Pac-Man. I just wanted to show you how is the nowadays quality. So let's do a little bit of a tour of the product itself and how good is the quality. And of course, how is the gameplay of this cabinet and what are we going to get inside? Because that is the question. So let's talk about the casing itself and how is the quality of the decals, because that is one of the most important things if it comes to an arcade machine. And I can already tell you, I don't know if you can see it on the video itself, but the quality of the stickers is just amazing. They look beautiful and they are not the cheap low quality resolution stickers we have seen in the past. It's indeed a new generation of arcade machines, and I must say I'm very pleased to see that we have reached the point that we're getting very good quality arcade machines with nice stickers. If you take a close look at the marquee, the decal quality itself looks nice, but when you're putting on the light you can see there's something behind the marquee. I don't know what's it, but maybe I'm a little bit too picky about it. But for the people who don't know why this isn't vertical cabinet, it's very simple. If you look at the games itself, the cabinet itself is made especially for these games that needed this aspect ratio for the monitor. Of course you can play these games on a normal monitor, but you will get two black bars left and right. So that's the reason why these upright cabinets are needed, basically, if you want to play these games like they should be. And there are quite some games on this cabinet, basic small collection. But if you look at shoot 'em ups, for example, there are a lot of shoot 'em ups out there that you can maybe add yourself to the cabinet and you can experience like the real deal back in the day. If you look at the control panel, you can see we don't have that many keys compared with different systems I've reviewed here on the channel. And the reason why is very simple. These games don't need many buttons. But what is very cool that we're having a trackball, for example, because games like this need a trackball and gives you the best experience. And they are so much fun playing with a trackball. For volume control, we can find this at the back with this very tiny scrolling wheel. Pretty basic, but it works like a charm. And for the full arcade experience, we're having a little coin slot on the left side. So alright, so let's take a close look inside and let's open up door number 1. And yeah, let's see how it looks inside. Alright, so let's take a close look at the door number 1 and what are we going to get. So the first thing I'm noticing, if you look at the wood quality they are using, it looks very nice. It is thick, it's just very nice high quality wood, but you don't see very often nowadays because it's just very expensive. Alright, so here at the left side we're having this, if I'm correct, it was the 1601 main board that contains everything we needed. Here we have some extra buttons for credit and going into the settings. The power supply. Here we have the little container for the coins if you want to use this, and a little close up on the monitor. It seems to me this monitor only supports VGA. The question remains, which games are we going to get with this small collection? So as you can see, there are a lot of familiar ones, a collection, Pac-Man of course, Donkey Kong. I see a lot of different games I even never heard of. But these games are all specially made for this monitor. And you don't get me wrong, there are not an extremely big collection or something on this thing compared with other main boards, but the games that are on this arcade machine are quite good. I think for the people who grew up with these video games, it's just awesome. Nevertheless, it's time to stop talking and to play some awesome games. So, stay tuned. Stage number 2. There's one. so this game needs to be playable with the wrecking ball. Ooh, sweet. Alright, bring it on. What? Yes. Oh, we have a double mount, alright. Oh, the place really get used to this. Come on. Come. This is bad. Come on, come on. The Dragon Ball is very sensitive. It's very nice. Come on. Give me another ball. Yeah, wait. Ah. Never mind. Hey, I can even play with a Dragon Ball. Works like a charm. You still got a problem. They're coming all over me. They're coming for me. I've only got one pill left. No. No. Yes. No. Ah. Wow, that's very quick. Again. Another version of Pac-Man. I like this one. Got the speed of Pac-Man. Oh, it's official, I suck. Alright, so this concludes the video regarding this Uprising Pac-Man bar top. Personally, I think it's a really cool product. It don't have this 2K games, what you can see with all other systems I've reviewed, but still, it's a small collection, but it is a very fun collection. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and don't miss out any awesome Wicked videos. And this means I will just see you in my next video.